Hello and welcome to my animation of the house robber coding interview question by John Taylor, myself. So we're going to start with the input array 1, 2, 3, 1, and we're going to start with three local variables, R1, R2, and T. We're going to initialize these variables to 0, and in a loop we're going to check does R1 plus the current number being 1, is that larger or is R2 larger? In this case, it's R1 plus 1, as that is 0 plus 1, is larger than R2, which is 0. So that's what we set to T. Then we're going to update R1 to R2, which is 0, and we're going to update R2 to T, which is 1. Once we've done this, we're going to check if we've reached the end of the array, and if so, we're going to move one step along. Then we do the exact same process. Which is larger, R1 plus the current number or R2? In this case, again, it's R1 plus the current number. We're going to update T, update R1 to R2, and update R2 to T. We're going to check if we can move, and we move. We're going to do the same thing. R1 and plus num is 4, which is larger than 2. And then we're going to update R1 and R2 and move. Lastly, we're going to check same condition. This time though, R2 is in fact larger than R1 plus num. So we're going to set T to R2, which stays at 4. R1 is updated to 4. R2 stays 4. And now we're going to check if we can move again. Actually, we can't because we've reached the end of the array. And therefore we return R2, which is 4. This is what the code would look like in C#. Exactly as described in the animation. Fairly simple algorithm, but a useful starting point for dynamic programming questions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.